Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. In this video, we are going to dive into one of the most beloved skincare product, that is Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. So whether you have sensitive skin or you just want effective cleanser, video is probably for you. Also in this video, we're also going to learn how to use Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. It's for normal to dry insensitive skin. It does hydrate as it cleanses, and it soothes and moisturizes the skin. So this is one product that you need in your skincare. Some people prefer to use a cloth or a cotton pad to cleanse their face, or you can just use your hands. So the first ever step in skincare, which I believe that not so many people talk about, is you need to clean your hands before using any skincare product. After cleaning your hands, this is when you go with your lukewarm water. You wet your skin. Take Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser and put it in your hands like this, just like this. You can put the amount you want. Then you want to lather it in your hands. You want to lather this product in your hands. Then you want to gently massage it on your skin. I feel like this product is so good, especially now that it's very drying outside. Remember, skincare is a form of self-love. You want to be very gentle to your skin. Massaging this cleanser in your skin for 60 seconds will help the product to actually work really well, to removing all your makeup, removing all your sunscreen, and removing all the darts in your skin. So you want to make sure you are very gentle to your skin. So you can use your hands. If you're somebody who likes to use their hand skincare routine while washing your face, you can use your hands. You can use the cloth to actually cleanse your face. So this is a recycle. You can recycle it. So sometimes after using it, I go just wash it and reuse it again. I find it so easy to use the recycled cloth. It's good. It's also very nice for the environment. If you have sensitive skin, you gently massage it for longer. After using Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, please don't leave this product on your skin. This product is not for leaving on the skin. It's a cleanser. It removes dirt, sunscreen. You don't want to leave it on your skin. After massaging it on your skin for 60 seconds, you want to go ahead and rinse it with lukewarm water. And I'm going to also show you how my skin feels like, or how it leaves my skin. Just going to dry my skin. So you can use anything to dry your skin, honestly. This is how my skin is. So this is how I feel. My skin is not dry. My skin, it doesn't leave my skin dry. That is one thing about this Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser that you actually really need to know. It's hydrating. It's very hydrating. It won't leave your skin dry. You know the way other cleanser will leave your skin dry, and when you feel it like this, it's so dry. But this one leaves my skin very hydrated and very smooth. So this is one cleanser that I use on those days that my skin is sensitive. Like you can see at the moment, I had things coming out like this one. So this is the time that I use this hydrating, this Cetaphil Gentle my skincare routine. And also it's very drying outside. I find this product making my skin very, very smooth and not dry after using the product. Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, you can use it in the morning and use it in the evening. So after wetting your face, put this product on your thumb of your hands, lather it around and massage it in your skin for 60 seconds. After massaging it in your skin for 60 seconds, you want to rinse it off. After rinsing it off, then you want to pat dry your skin. You have to be very gentle. As I said earlier, I find like skincare routine is all about self-love. It's about self-care. All this, you do it gentle, treat your skin well. It will actually reward you. So after using Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, I'm just going to do a very simple skincare after this, so that you know actually what are the steps to put in your skincare. So I'm going to use this Avene Thermal Spring Water. If you are somebody who wants extra hydration, if you have dry skin, because this product is for Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser is for all skin type, but if you are somebody who wants extra hydration, or maybe your skin is on the dry side, you can put Thermal Spring Water in your skincare. It just helps to hydrate the skin. Then you want to let it dry for a few minutes. I normally use this one. It helps a lot to dry my skin. Want to go in with the toner? You can use any toner of your choice. I'm using this numbuzin Pure Full Calming Herb Toner. Numbuzin is a Korean skincare brand, so this product is very calming. So you can use, there's so many different ways to use toners. You can put them in, you can just put them in your hands like this, then you pat it on your skin, or you can use a cotton pad. Toners help to balance the pH, and if you are somebody who wants the hydration, you can use hydrating toners, and it will help a lot to hydrate your skin. So after applying a toner, I'm just going to dry my skin a little bit. But remember, it's all about, with the skincare, it's about consistency. If you are consistent with your skincare, you'll actually reach your skin goals, because if you are consistent with one product every now and again, you'll see a result. And you want to also give your skincare products time. Most of the skincare product will start working after 4 weeks. So if you're somebody who wants that lovely nice skin, you want to make sure that you are consistent with your skincare product. There is no need for you to buy product after product. Give that product you're using time and give it grace. There is no need for you to use it for 2 days. Then if you see your skin is not where you want it to be within 2 days, then you throw it away. No, you don't have to break your bank. Be patient with your skincare products. Be very patient with them. Then I'm doing this skincare routine in the morning. I love using vitamin C during the day, so I'm also going to use this numbuzin Vitamin C. Vitamin C will always help you to brighten the skin if you have dull skin. And also I use vitamin C during the day because of its antioxidant nature, so it helps a lot. So I'm using this numbuzin. Vitamin C. Well, look at the hydration, darling, if you're somebody who wants to try Korean skincare products, go for it. These products, I'm telling you, they're just amazing. They'll hydrate your skin, they'll give you that glowy look that you're looking for, target dullness, they will hydrate your skin. After applying vitamin C serum, I'm going to use the ordinary hyaluronic acid. It's just about hydrating the skin. I'm just hydrating my skin as much as I can. So I'm using this. The ordinary hyaluronic acid will help a lot. With hydrating your skin. So you just use a little bit of it. This is how my skin is at the moment. My skin is very hydrated. The reason why my skin is very hydrated, I started hydrating my skin from the hydrating cleanser. Then I moved on to Thermal Spring. This so applied the calming toner, and this vitamin C serum from Numbuzin. Applied the ordinary hyaluronic acid. These products are very hydrating from the word go. So you're going to have a very hydrated skin after this. Then after applying all this product, if you don't lock in the moisture or the hydration in your skin, you need to lock in that moisture. If you just leave your skin like this, it's going to dry honestly it's going to dry out very quickly. So the next thing you want to do is you can go in with hydrating serum, but I don't feel like using serum today. And you want to lock in the moisture with a moisturizer. So I'm using this Cetaphil moisturizing cream. It provides long-lasting moisturization, and it softens and smooths dry skin. So it's also for sensitive skin. You can use it on your face and also on your body. So I'm just going to use a little bit of it on my skin. I'm going to use a little bit of it on my skin. So if you're somebody who also uses eye cream, I'm using this simple soothing eye cream. It's for power. It winds down and reduce puffiness. So I'm going to use a little bit of it. So I always put a little bit on my, then apply it under the. You want to proceed with your moisturizer. This is it. Now this is how my skin looks like. It's very hydrated and very nice. Just hoping the little pimple is going to go away. It's that time of the month and my skin becomes very sensitive, especially around that time. So I'm going to go ahead and apply sunscreen. I'm going to use this Black Girl sunscreen. It's 30 SPF. And let no one tell you, even if we are in autumn at the moment, you really still need that. You still need that, especially if you're somebody who suffers with, you see, this dark spots and hyperpigmentation. You need to apply the sunscreen. Sunscreens help a lot to protect your skin from UVA and UVB, and also it helps a lot to make your hyperpigmentation not to worsen up. So I'm just going to use, honestly, right now outside there is no sun, there is no much sun, so I'm just going to apply a little bit of Black Girl sunscreen. Then it doesn't leave any white cast. This is my skin. I feel like my skin is very hydrated, it's not dry, and this is how you can build a skincare routine after using Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. So as I said before, I started with hydrating product. I started with hydrating cleanser, which is Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. This product is for normal to dry and sensitive skin, and it has niacinamide, it has hydrating glycerin, and it has panthenol. Panthenol is an ingredient in skincare products panthenol helps to lock in the moisture in your skin. So that's why after using Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, it doesn't leave your skin dry. It has niacinamide and it has hydrating glycerin. So these are products that are going to help you hydrate your skin. So this Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser is for face and body. It does remove dirt, makeup, impurities. It also helps to restore skin natural barrier. And the other thing I like about this product, it's fragrance free. When I use product with fragrance in them, my skin becomes so irritated. So this is one ingredient. Fragrance is one ingredient that I look out in skincare products, so I don't use them on my skin. Some people are okay with fragrance, but my skin doesn't sit well with fragrance. So this is my skin after that beautiful skincare routine. Let me know in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Mwah.